What's up, guys? A little windy out here tonight, but gonna do a little grilling outside. Got the wood going this time because we're actually out here in the middle of nowhere, boondocking, so nobody to tell me I can't use wood. But given everything that's going on here in California right now, especially not too far from here, did decide to get some water and backed away from anything that could potentially catch fire, so taking all the precautions I can. So yeah, right now we're out here. I'm just getting the fire going, and I'm gonna go inside and get all the ingredients together. We're making grilled turkey meatballs tonight with some gluten-free fusilli pasta and some tomato sauce. So nothing special, just, you know, some nice comfort food that me and the wife really enjoy. Got the fire going real nice, as you guys can see. Got the water here ready to go. Basically, like I said, out here in the middle of nowhere. It's real windy right now, so sorry if the audio is a little crappy. You see, it's just us out here, but it is absolutely beautiful out here. Sun just set about an hour ago. I'm sitting actually on a trail that's used a lot by 4x4s and four-wheelers and things like that. You can see that wind crackling the wood real good. So this is going to be perfect for grilling on. It's going to be super nice and hot tonight. Cleaning my grill grates off with one of these Y-shaped brushes. These are definitely the best. Super sturdy, last the longest, in my opinion. I use these for years in the restaurants, and definitely my favorite, because one of the things a lot of people have trouble with are the cheap brushes falling apart on them or getting all greasy and everything else. These hold up real well. Get these on here. Try to keep the meatballs away from the direct flames, because you don't want any of the soot to come up onto the actual meatballs, because it gives them a really awful flavor, and you don't want them to burn on the outside either before they have a chance to cook on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a couple minutes on each side. You want to just leave them. You don't want to be moving them around a whole lot. People have a tendency to want to move meat around on the grill a lot. So we're going to let these sit, cook all the way on one side, turn them, let them cook all the way on the other side, and then move them away from some of the heat to let them finish cooking all the way through without burning them on the outside. So I decided to go ahead and surprise the wife with making some grilled garlic bread for us. So I got some gluten-free hot dog buns actually, and went ahead and spread a little bit of mayonnaise, garlic, oil, S&P, onion powder, garlic powder on those, and I'm just gonna let them grill up here. I'm keeping them away from those direct flames so it doesn't actually burn the bread. It just toasts them. My meatballs are just about done here. They got some nice color. We're gonna go in, we'll mix this with our pasta and the sauce, and should be good to go. So I went ahead and got everything together for the dinner tonight. Nice delicious pasta, cooked here in my iron pot. Garlic bread turned out real nice, good color on that. I'll go ahead and add the meatballs. Yeah, we'll basically get all this together and enjoy, probably with a movie and a bottle of wine. Tonight, dinner turned out really good. Most likely going to be doing another cooking video this week before we head out of the Salton Sea. We're only going to be here till Sunday, so I'm going to try to get another video out before then. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to make, but I'll find something. You guys got to try the grilled meatballs. They're absolutely amazing. one of the things I like to add to mine are chopped rosemary. And I'll be posting a video up of us doing some mountain biking around here on the beach. And you get to see some people getting stuck in the sand, which was sad at the same time amusing, since it was no fault of their own. So don't forget to subscribe, check out my other videos, and you know, if you got any questions for me, feel free to ask. Any questions about the cooking I did tonight, the RV, anything like that. Of course, I'll be making videos answering either questions and also talking about things that we've run into and that I would like other people to know. And of course, let people know what it is we actually have in the RV and, you know, in the truck and things like that for doing boondocking and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for more stuff, guys, and be easy. Bye.